Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Maiko Ryan Diesto. And for today's episode 64, mga must-try drinks and foods by Sippin Pretty. Sippin Pretty. Experience an oasis of deliciousness. These coolers are really creamy, healthy, and made with natural fruits. It has eye-catching colors with tapioca, pearls, jelly, and fruit tidbits, which would for sure attract the little hungry ones. So try these coolers at home and beat the heat with total energy. They're located at Zone 5, Calumpang, Molo, Iloilo City, back of Lying In Clinic. They're open every day starting 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. And they're also available for Food Panda app, Maxim Iloilo PH, rides and food delivery, Angkas at Padala 24/7 Iloilo. And for their fullest of menus and delivery details, I'll provide description down below. And this episode is sponsored by Sippin Pretty. And disclaimer lang po, this is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. Hi there mga nose! Savory drinks and snacks and frozen desserts by Sippin Pretty. But before anything else, please do like this video to support and promote our local brands here in Iloilo City. And comment down below kung anong mga drinks, snacks, or frozen desserts gusto nyo try for Sippin Pretty. And share this video to one of your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, para always kayo updated and notified sa mga latest episodes ko. Just click the notification bell icon. Please lang mga nose, konting favor lang kapag may nakita kayong skip ads, kahit ilang seconds or ilang minutes, please lang po huwag niyo pong skip. Malaking tulong na po yun sa aking channel, Drinking Nose. And also, nag-initial taste test na ako for their soft opening and also ni-invite nila ako for their grand opening dun sa store nila. So, thank you so much Sippin Pretty for your trust and for your invitation for Drinking Nose. Lahat po ng drinks natin is all media size. Very excited, gutom na ako at hindi ko alam kung maubos ko to. So let's start. For our first product, under Pretty Classic Milktea, these are Pretty Blackpearl Milktea for media size, 70 pesos. Very soft yung pearls, very gooey. Yung faint taste ng tea essence, on point. Perfect yung milk tea base niya for my taste. For our next product, under Pretty Classic Milktea, these are Pretty Cheesecakepearl Milktea for media size, 75 pesos. Well-balanced yung sugar level, tapos yung creaminess for its cheesecake. For its overall ingredients, outstanding yung taste. For next product under Pretty Classic Milktea category, these are Pretty Original Milktea for media size, 60 pesos. Kung naghahanap kayo yung less yung tea essence, but more on the milk tea base, ito yung prefer ko, si Original Milktea. Yung difference nila for Blackpearl, ito, mas appreciate mo yung tea essence for this milk tea. For next product under Pretty Classic Milktea category, these are Pretty Grass Jelly Milktea for media size, 70 pesos. Ito yung grass jelly niya, very soft, very easy to eat. And when it comes to tea essence or classic milk tea base, on point siya. Next drink under Pretty Special Milktea with Blackpearl, Okinawa Milktea for media size, 75 pesos. Very distinctive yung Okinawa sweetness and also for its tea essence. Tapos, hindi siya naging super sweet for this product. For our next drink, under Pretty Special Milktea with Blackpearl, this is Hokkaido Milktea for media size, 75 pesos. Sarap mga nos. Ito yung Hokkaido, very similar siya for roasted almond flavor. Tapos, nag-well-balance yung sweetness and also for its tea essence. On point siya. Next product under Pretty Special Milktea with Blackpearl. These are Taro Milktea for media size, 75 pesos. Parang aftertaste ko na lang malasahan yung Taro essence. Pero present naman yung tea essence niya. Mas more siya sa tea essence instead sa Taro flavor. Next drink under Pretty Special Milktea with Blackpearls, Sir Matcha Milktea for media size, 80 pesos. Very precise yung downfill or matcha essence for this product. Tapos, nag-well balance yung sugar level, yung ingredients, so yung softness for its pearls. For our next drink, under Pretty Special Milk Tea with Blackpearl, Red Velvet Milktea for media size, 80 pesos. Very rich yung chocolate feel or yung red velvet cake essence for this drink. And also, hindi siya super sweet, tama yung lasa niya. For our next drink, under Pretty Soda series, these are Blueberry Bomb for media size, 75 pesos. On point yung balance when it comes sa soda feel and also for its blueberry flavor. Very similar yung flavor niya for candy. And sa mga kids na hindi mahilig sa milk tea, ito I must prefer for this product. For our next drink, under Pretty Soda series, your Cherry Bloom for media size, 75 pesos. For this drink, hindi lang siya eye-appealing and colorful, but also when it comes sa flavor and sweetness, well-balanced siya at sobrang sarap na drink na to. At sulit ka na for its quality. The next product under Pretty Soda series, made Sunset for media size, 75 pesos. Ito mas gusto ko when it comes sa soda series kasi it has a good balance when it comes sa sweetness and also for its sourness. Ang galing ng combination niya, hindi siya nagsapawan. For next product, under Pretty Fruit Tea, is your Green Apple Fruit Tea for media size, 70 pesos. When it comes to fruit jelly, very soft, very easy to eat. But when it comes to green apple essence or flavor, ito, parang nasobrahan siya sa sourness. Wala ko nalasahan na mixture of good balance of sour or sweetness. Parang nag-absent yung sweetness for this product. Next product, under Pretty Fruit Tea, is their Strawberry Fruit Tea for media size, 70 pesos. Unang makikin sa akin is yung sourness for its lemon. Tapos yung strawberry or fruity essence niya, medyo faint lang siya. When it comes to fruit jelly, very soft naman. For next drink, under Pretty Fruit Tea, this is Blueberry Fruit Tea for media size, 70 pesos. Ito so far sa fruit tea series nila, mas nagustuhan ko at na-appreciate ko yung blueberry fruit tea. Nandun yung blueberry essence for this product. So ayan mga anos, na-taste test ko na yung drinks nila for each of their categories. Yung next naman natin is yung snacks and frozen desserts. Unahin ko is yung frozen desserts. For first product is your Black Sambo for 50 pesos. Ganda ng texture and also for its sweetness. For Black Sambo, ito ma-distinguish mo talaga yung chocolate and also for its creamy feel. So lagay ko muna to yung Black Sambo sa ref mga nose kasi medyo naging watery na siya. For next product is your Leche Flan for 100 pesos. Very dense yung outer and inner texture for Leche Flan. When it comes to sweetness or yung syrup dito, hindi siya burn. Nasa tama yung preparation o yung process sa paggawa ng Leche Flan. Hindi siya matigas, hindi siya airy. So, it's a perfect Leche Flan for my taste. The next product is your Mango Float for 100 pesos. Very creamy, very delicious, and also nasa tama yung balance for its grahams, fresh mangoes, and also yung right creaminess and sweetness for condensed mixture. Let's proceed for our snacks. For first product, these are siomai for 3 pieces for 20 pesos. Ito po yung chili sauce nila, and yung toyo, and also yung calamansi. Ganda ng savory feel for its siomai, meat, and also for its wrapper, on point siya. Tapos when it comes sa sauce nila, yung toyo, yung calamansi, and also for its chili sauce, nag-well balance siya for its overall ingredients or for siomai. For next product, these are cheese sticks for 20 pesos. So meron siyang ketchup and also mayonnaise. Very unique and different yung color ng wrapper nila. For cheese sticks, worth it naman siya for 20 pesos. 6 sticks, wak talaga for 20 pesos. For next product, these are French fries for 20 pesos. Sobrang lambot yung French fries nila. Tapos meron siyang cheese powder or cheese flavor. So worth it talaga yung 20 pesos mo for French fries. For next product, these are fresh Lumpia Ubud for 4 pieces for 40 pesos. Ang sarap ng sweetness and mixture of heat for their sauce. Sobrang siksik ka na for its ingredients inside the lumpia. Tapos, perfect siya combination for their sauce. Okay, for rating mga nos, for all of their snacks, I'll give it a perfect 10. And desserts, I'll give it a perfect 10. For milk tea, green apple fruit tea, and also strawberry fruit tea, I'll give it a 9. And sa mga remaining drinks sila, in each of their categories, I'll give it a perfect 10. Ito na-rate ko ng 9 kasi nawala yung essence for its taro sweetness and texture or yung lapuit feel. And when it comes sa fruit tea nila, for green apple and strawberry, mas more yung sourness for its lemon zest instead sa fruit tea or sa specific flavor nila. But overall, when it comes sa drinks sila, naging precise sila when it comes sa tea essence, specific flavors, and also for their pearls, very soft, very easy to eat. For their snacks and for their frozen desserts, sulit na sulit ka na and excellent in quality. Thank you so much sa lahat po bumubuo for Sippin Pretty, sa staff, sa baristas, sa owners, and also sa mga chefs for accommodating me, for assisting me sa initial tastes, for your grand opening, and also for my tastes vlog, Drinking Nose. So, I hope na hindi po ito yung last na i-cover ko yung products nyo, but maybe soon, new products and new menus sa inyong store and also for your upcoming branches very soon. So, Sippin Pretty has good quality of products, budget-friendly, very accommodating baristas and owners, and certified Drinking Nose standards approved. Once again, thank you so much and congratulations to Sippin Pretty. Keep safe mga nose. Bye!